You were light in the dark, you were fire in my veins. Now it's cold where you are, and I'm left with the pain. I still hear how you breathe in the silence I keep, but the more that I try, the less I believe. Every word that you said now just echoes inside, like a ghost in my head that I cannot deny. Smoke, let it all turn to smoke. All the words that you spoke, all the love that you